The debate over citizenship is nothing new in India. However, we are talking about this time a dual citizenship. Hello and welcome to the InFocus series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about the question of dual citizenship and what is the scenario of India. And this session is important for your GS 2 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss arguments in favor and arguments in against the dual citizenship. Then we are going to discuss about the case of India, then what are the current frameworks we have, and then what would be the way forward and solution for this question, and then practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIAS channel. Moving towards to the news part. So before moving to the news part, I want to tell you the Drishti IAS Noida address, and our address is C171/2 Block A, Sector 15, Noida, and nearest metro station is Noida Sector 15. And ISGS Foundation course is available there. Admissions are open in both mediums. So if you want to know more information related to the course, so you can call on to the number 87501 Coming to the discussion part. So the news is that recently External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has made a statement that dual citizenship in India is quite difficult. And after that, there is a debate over dual citizenship emerged into the media, and that's why here we are with the discussion of the dual citizenship. That is it mandatory? What is the scenario of India? Can Indians have dual citizenship or not? So this is the news which we are going to cover up in today's session. Coming to the discussion part, that what are the argument against and favor of the dual citizenship. So first of all, we should know that what is dual citizenship. So dual citizenship is that a person who have a citizenship of two or more than two countries at the same time. But India does not allow such kind of citizenship. And if you are an Indian citizen, so you can have only one citizenship, that is the Indian citizenship. So this is a dual citizenship, and this is the what you can say case of India, that India provides single citizenship. And if you want to be a citizen of another country, you have to leave the citizenship of this country. So here comes the debate that what are the argument against and favor of the dual citizenship. So divided loyalty. So there is a debate that if we can provide two citizenship and more than two citizenship of a person, then the loyalty of that person can be divided. And also political rights granted to dual citizens. So here we have few fundamental rights which is available to citizens of India only, and there are few fundamental rights which is available to everyone. So what we can see, if we can provide dual citizenship, so we have to provide all those fundamental rights to those set of people also. Then legal restrictions is also there, because if you acquire a citizenship of another country, automatically you will lose citizenship of this country. And there is also problem of legal framework, because India's legal framework does not support the dual citizenship. And historical context. So the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019, which was highly debated, and we can see a lot of protest because of the CA. So it gives the message that India is very particular about the sole citizenship of this country. So this is the what you can say argument against. Now we'll discuss that if India will provide dual citizenship, what can be favorable for the country. So the one argument is that global integration, because we are living into a global world where everything is connected, our economy is connected, our cultures are connected, our society is connected. So it will provide and it can strengthen ties between India and its diaspora, because many people who are living, who are from the Indian origin and who are living outside of the India, so they miss the ties, and sometimes they could not invest, sometimes they could not do anything because they have not citizenship of this country. Then economic contribution. So there is a belief, we are not assuring it, that there is a belief that if India can provide dual citizenship, there will be the more economic contribution by its diaspora, and it could attract more foreign investment and encourage Indian expatriates to invest more in India. So these are the probable advantages we have analyzed, but we are not assuring that if India will provide dual citizenship, we'll get all these advantages. Now we'll come to the India's position on dual citizenship. So Article 5 to 11 deals with the Indian citizenship, and there are provisions related to the citizenship of this country. Among Article 5 to 11, we have one article which is Article 9, which states that India does not have the provision of dual citizenship, and India provides sole citizenship. It means that you can only be a citizen of this country. So according to Article 9 of the Indian Constitution, any citizen who voluntarily acquires citizenship of another country ceases to be an Indian citizen, and this is reinforced by the Citizenship Act of 1955. So this is the India's position on dual citizenship. Our constitution says about the citizenship. Now we'll come to the different aspect, current legal frameworks. So S. Jaishankar had also pointed out that we have OCI provision, and recently what we have seen that the Indian government has also issued a notice which tells that India does not provide dual citizenship, and we are promoting this OCI. So we have to first understand that what is OCI. So OCI's full form is Overseas Citizenship of India, and it was introduced in 2005, and it allows persons of Indian origin can reside in the country without visa. But here is an exception. So the person of Indian origin, they should not belong to Pakistan and Bangladesh. So this is the thing. And OCIs, they can stay in India, but they do not have the voting rights, and they cannot hold any constitutional offices. Constitutional offices means the president, the prime minister, the governor, the chief minister. So this is the thing. And what is the eligibility of the OCI? So it is available primarily to the individuals who were citizens of India or eligible for Indian citizenship at the time of the constitution commencement, and it is contingent upon the individual's home country allowing some from the dual citizenship. So this is the overseas citizen of India. So here you have to remember one point which is very important for your examination, which is the excluding those from the Pakistan and Bangladesh. So here we'll come to the what are the challenges we have. So the challenges is that political loyalty and concerns. So it is analyzed that if people will be provided dual citizenship, their political loyalties will shift to another country, and there can be a chances of chaos. Might be if India is adamant and if India is not supportive of few schemes of and few mandate of other countries, but a person who has this dual citizenship, so the person maybe loyalties can be shifted, and might be the person can oppose. So there can be a chances of chaos and conflict and public sentiments and political will. So there is a lot of debate, a lot of protest regarding the dual citizenship, and it is stated that if dual citizenship will apply to the India, it is not a welcome step for many of the Indians. Then complexity of implementation, because for implementation of dual citizenship, we have to change our law, and our legal framework is very complex. So we have to change law from the scratch, and we have to found a very new dimensions and very new set of rules and laws and regulation related to the dual citizenship. So these are the challenges we have. Now we'll discuss that what could be the way forward for this. So here we are, because I have told you that we have a legal frameworks which is very complex in nature, and if you want to introduce dual citizenship in this country, so we have to do and we have to amend our constitution from very scratch. So here is the thing that there can be a gradual legal framework amendments, and there can be a change in our legal frameworks, but it can be gradually, not out of sudden. And also we can promote the OCI benefits. So currently only residents are allowed, and we can do business, we can purchase property, but voting rights are not allowed. We cannot hold the constitutional offices. The OCI holders cannot hold the constitutional offices. So many experts have said that we can extend voting rights and constitutional benefits to the OCI holders. So these are the way forward. If government finds it suitable, they can implement it. Now we'll discuss the Question part, with reference to the dual citizenship in India, consider the following statement. The Indian Constitution allows dual citizenship for persons of Indian origins living abroad. The Overseas Citizenship of India program provides certain rights but does not grant full citizenship or voting rights to its holders. Article 9 of the Indian Constitution states that acquiring citizenship of another country results in an automatic loss of Indian citizenship. Which of the above statement are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. So you have to answer this into the comment section. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. And there is a mains question for you, that is dual citizenship in India is feasible for the political environment or political right, or you can say it is feasible for Indians or not. So there can be many related questions to it, so you can practice at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.